When the devastating thing happens, this is what to do. This is episode 3 of the Bread Crumbs series, There Is No Loss. When the job is gone, when the home is gone, when the love is lost, when the relationship is gone, the fear is real. The feelings are real. The pain is real. But this is exactly the time to dig deeper and remember, I am a spiritual being. I am wholly loved and fully supported, not as a way of bypassing the pain, but as a way of standing in it without being destroyed by it. From that place, even with the tears rolling down your face, you can say, I do not know why this is happening to me, but I trust that this loving universe is pointing me somewhere. Help me to see it clearly. Help me to see where. You have been here before. You have survived it. You are more than this circumstance. Follow these breadcrumbs back to peace.